Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever looked at disciplined people and wondered how do they, how do they stay so focused? How do they wake up early, stay consistent, keep working, and continue even when life becomes difficult? And maybe somewhere deep inside, you also want that discipline because you know discipline can change your life. But the problem is, most people think discipline is something people are born with. No, discipline is built step by step, habit by habit, choice by choice. And today, I will show you exactly how to become disciplined step by step, not through motivation, through system and mindset. Let me tell you something real. There were phases in my life when I was inconsistent. Some days productive, some days distracted, some days focused, some days lazy. And honestly, that consistency creates frustration because deep inside, you know you are capable of more. One day I realized something powerful. Discipline is not about perfection. Discipline is about showing up repeatedly. And once I started understanding discipline perfectly, my life slowly started changing. Most people think disciplined people always feel motivated. Wrong. Disciplined people also feel tired, distracted, lazy, emotionally low. The difference is they act anyway. That is the real secret. Discipline is not emotional. Discipline is structured. It is built through routine, habits, system, repeated action. Now, let us first step towards discipline is awareness. You must identify what destroys your focus, what wastes your time, what weakness your consistency. For many people, phone addiction, overthinking, comfort, random routines are silently destroying discipline. You cannot fix what you refuse to observe. So start becoming aware of your daily behavior because awareness creates changes. Step 2. One of the biggest mistakes people make is starting too big. Huge goals create huge pressure and pressure creates quitting. So start small, very small. Instead of 2 hours workout, start with 10 minutes. Instead of writing 20 pages, start with 1 page. Because discipline grows repetition, not intensity. Step 3. Routine reduce decision fatigue and fewer decision creates more consistency. This changed my life deeply. Simple structure. Fixed wake up time, fixed work time, fixed focus block, fixed sleep time. When your day becomes structured, discipline becomes easier because structures removes confusion. Step 4. Focus is not automatic. It must be protected. Your environment shapes your behavior. If your phone is always beside you, distraction becomes easy. If your workspace is messy, your mind becomes messy. So simplify your environment. Remove unnecessary notifications, visual clutter, random distractions. Because disciplined people protect their focus carefully. Step 5. This is one of the most powerful discipline systems. Never let the day become zero. No matter how busy, no matter how tired, no matter how lazy. Do something, even 5 minutes, one page, one small task, because consistency matters more than perfection. And small actions daily build powerful momentum. Step 6. This is where most people fail. They wait for motivation, for confidence, for the perfect mood. But disciplined people understand something important. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start before you feel ready. That is how discipline grows. And step 7. Your identity controls your behavior. If you keep saying, I am lazy, your mind believes it. Instead say, I am becoming disciplined. Because disciplined action repeated daily slowly changes identity, and identity changes life. Let me tell you something deeply. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is self-respect. It is a proof that you value your future. You respect your goals. You trust yourself enough to continue. And every time you stay disciplined, you become mentally stronger, slowly, quietly, powerfully. Now, I want you to make one decision today, not tomorrow. Today, choose one disciplined action and commit to it daily, and comment below, I am becoming disciplined. Because transformation begins with repeated actions. Also, like this video, share it with someone struggling and with consistency. Subscribe for weekly growth content, because this journey is about becoming stronger every day. So remember, discipline is not built in one day. It is built daily through small repeated action, and one day those small actions completely transform your life. Thank you.